participle. Today I would like to show you something about the active to passive changes. So we will study about it at a glance. Just get it. After completing the tenses, we will come to use how to change active to passive, and you will understand about active to passive or what is active voice and what is passive voice. First, let me tell you active voice. Voice means to say watch it, and active means get here कर्तरी. It is कर्तरी watch it, and we have to change it in passive. It means कर्म watch it. First, we need to understand about the definition of both. How could you understand what is active, what is passive? Let me tell you in Hindi also. Active voice means होता है कर्तृवाच्य और पैसिव वॉइस मीन्स होता है कर्मवाच्य. तो सबसे पहले हम इनकी डेफिनेशन को समझेंगे. एक्टिव वॉइस क्या है और पैसिव वॉइस क्या है. एक्टिव वॉइस जो होता है उसमें कर्ता को प्रधानता दी जाती है. The voice in which we give the priority to the subject, that is called active voice. एक्टिव वॉइस में हम कर्ता को प्रधानता देते हैं और पैसिव वॉइस में कर्ता की जगह कर्म को प्रधानता दी जाती है. अब बात आती है प्रधानता देने का मतलब, प्रियरिटी देने का मतलब क्या है. मीन टू से the verb will used according to subject in active and the verb will use according to object in passive. तो ये सिंपल है. जिसके अकॉर्डिंग वर्ब का प्रयोग होगा, क्रिया यूज होगी, उसको प्रधानता देना कहते हैं, उसके अनुसार कहते हैं. तो यहाँ पे जब कर्ता के अनुसार सहायक क्रिया प्रयुक्त होगी तो वो एक्टिव वॉइस कहलाएगा, और वही सहायक क्रिया जब कर्म के अनुसार होगी तो वो पैसिव वॉइस कहलाएगा. ये तो हो गई इनकी डेफिनेशंस. अब एक्टिव वॉइस और पैसिव वॉइस के कुछ उदाहरण हमें लेने पड़ेंगे, लेकिन बिफोर दैट लेट मी टेल यू कि एक्टिव वॉइस जो होते हैं इसमें 12 टेंसेस होते हैं और पैसिव वॉइस में 12 के चेंजेस ना होकर के ओनली 8 आर चेंजेस इन पैसिव. So you can say that only 8 tenses are changed in passive voice out of 12 tenses of active voice. Passive voice होते हैं वो 8 चेंज होते हैं. एक्टिव वॉइस के 12 टेंसेस में से मात्र 8 टेंसेस पैसिव वॉइस बदले जाते हैं. वो कौन कौन से हैं, उनकी हेल्पिंग वो पैसिव वॉइस में क्या है, वो सब आप देखेंगे. गेट अ टेबल, एक तालिका आप दे रहे हैं, उसको ध्यान से समझें. सो हियर द टेंस and here the helping verb. In passive, simply tense में आप पढ़ेंगे present, indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and in past indefinite tense. Past, let me tell you here, past continuous tense and past perfect. It's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. I told you that in future we get to one is future indefinite tense and future perfect tense. These are 8 tenses which are changed in passive and the 4 rest are not changed. वो कौन कौन से हैं? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस नहीं बदला जाता, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस नहीं बदला जाता, फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट नहीं बदला जाता. तो ये जो 8 हैं इनके चेंजेस होते हैं इन पैसिव, और रेस्ट जो 4 हैं दे आर नॉट चेंज. तो यहाँ पे हमें ये जानना है कि वो कौन से 8 टेंस हैं जिनका पैसिव बनता है. तो ये आपके सामने है, और उनकी हेल्पिंग वर्ब पैसिव वॉइस में क्या होती है वो हमें समझना है। तो लेट्स गेट हियर। प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट की हेल्पिंग ऑफ एक्टिव में तो डू या डज होती है, बट इन पैसिव वी गेट इज एम आर, is and are. This is the helping of present indefinite tense in passive voice. Continuous is and are plus being. Perfect has been, are, have been. Past indefinite was and were. Past continuous was and were plus being. We are coming to the next, that is past perfect had been. Future indefinite that will be or shall be. Future perfect will have been or shall have been. So, dear students, you got the table, how many tenses are changed in passive and what is the helping of those all, that everything has been shown in this table on the board. So, tense, present indefinite tense, that's helping of is in passive, present continuous is plus being in passive, present perfect has been or have been in passive, and past indefinite was and were, past continuous was and were plus being, past perfect have been, and future indefinite will be a shall be, and the last one is future perfect will have been or shall have been. It's really very easy. If you are just having it in mind, you will get it very easy. You have to just keep it in mind. You can have a screenshot of it, or you can write in a notebook. You can understand about it. In case of any trouble, I have told you many times, you can contact on my cell. Number is 9452274315. Let me tell you one important thing in passive. In passive, in all the tenses of age, you have to use the third form of the verb. Here, these are helping verb, but in this, you will use the third form of the verb. It is the rule in passive. Now, if you are done it, we will go ahead. I will tell you the rules for changing active to passive. You may take some time. Well, hope you did it. I'm going to wrap it out and we'll go ahead. So, I'm doing it. So, in the short terms, I told you that there are 12 tenses in active voice, but only 8 tenses out of 12 tenses are changed in passive. And I have told you that tenses and also the helping of those in passive voice. Now, we are going ahead to understand about how to change active to passive. Means what are the rules for changing active to passive? There are only 3 important rules for changing active to passive. If you really want to change active to passive, you have to care about the 3 rules. मात्र 3 नियम का आपको ध्यान देना है. आप वाकई में जब एक्टिव टू पैसिव बदलना चाहते हैं तो आपको 3 नियम का ध्यान देना है. And those 3 rules are: you have to change object to subject. Object to subject and subject to object changes. So this is the first rule for changing active to passive. If you want to change active to passive, you have to change object to subject and subject to object changing. It is the important rules of changing active to passive first. And next one is that we have to use third form of the verb. We use third form of the verb in passive. We use third form of the verb in passive always. doesn't matter which tense is that. From those all 8 tenses, if you are getting any tenses, you have to use the third form of the verb. It is the rule. And the last one is very easy that we need to care. We use preposition. Yes, preposition. But that is shown here. Which preposition? Preposition by. Before object in passive. So you got here, there are 3 important rules for changing active to passive. You have to do one thing first, object to subject and subject to object changing. Next one rule is that you have to use third form of the verb always in passive, and the other one is that you have to use preposition by before the object in passive. So these 3 rules are very important, and you got the table of the helping verbs and tenses in passive. So you have to care about these 3 rules. And now how will we change? I'll tell you. And before that, one thing is, if you want to change object to subject and subject to object, अगर आप subject से object और object से subject बदलते हैं तो कैसे बदलेंगे, उसके लिए क्या तालिका होगी, किस तरह के systems होंगे, that everything rule and regulation you need to understand. For that I am going to tell you how to change subject to object and object to subject. For that there is a table that you need to care. Let me tell you. In table you will understand about the person, subject, object, it's object and possessive. So here this table must be clear in your mind. There are 3 persons, first person, second person and third person. First person of subject is I and we. Second person subject is you, and third person subject is he, she, it and they. Now we are coming to the object. I's object is me, us, you, him, her, it, them. So you got the object of all subjects here. I's object is me, we, us, you object is you, and his object is him, and she, her, it and they from them. So here you got the subject and object. If you are getting the subject I, you will change in object. So I will convert in me. If you are getting the object me, you will convert in subject. Object will change into subject, then you will change me to I. This is the first rule, and it is important to understand. One thing is possessive. You may understand about that also. Possessive is my and mine, our and ours. It has the rule. I'll tell you the simple one. You and yours. His, her, its and dear and theirs. So you got the table for knowing, understand mentally that what is the changes rule and how could you change it, what is the subject and object of the pronouns. These pronouns are in 3 person, first person of pronoun, second person of pronoun and third person of pronoun. I and we, that is the speaker, and it is first person of pronoun, object you got and possessive also. Next one is you is the listener, it is always the second person, its object and other things you got. So this is the table you need to understand if you are caring mostly about the 3 rules and this table, and also the tense and the helping verb of that in passive. You will easily change it. There will be no problem in it. It is really very important to care about the basic things of, and all the rules of changing active to passive is in it. You will carry it very well. So आपको कुछ और एक्स्ट्रा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You have to understand. I told you what is active voice, what is passive voice. You have been taught English whilst giving the priority to the subject. You can say in this sentence we use helping verb according to the subject, that is active voice, and if we are using the helping verb according to the object, that is passive voice. So helping verb we got, and you got the definition of active to passive. For changing the rule, you have got object to subject and subject to object changing. We use third form of the verb in passive, and we use preposition by before the object in passive. These all three rules, and you got the tenses 8 indefinite present of, and that everything 8 tenses and helping verb of that in table before it. And now you got the table of changing subject to object. So it is really very easy to understand. After that, in the next video, I will teach you about the changes. Wait for that and have enjoy. Keep it up.